so me and Violet chose Mars for the planet, and we believe that Mars is the best choice for the planet to live on because it's closest to Earth, not in like distance or however size-wise, but it is like with the water and soil and all that stuff. So, but there are some problems on it. The problems are the average temperature there is negative 81 degrees, which is cold, but not as cold as some places, but it'd still be hard to survive. The hottest is 70 degrees, which is closest to Earth, but it's probably not going to be that temperature that much. And the coldest is negative 88 Fahrenheit, which is cool. And 95% of the air is carbon dioxide, which is going to be hard to live with because humans need oxygen. So, and the storms are also pretty harsh on Mars, so that will be a problem too.
Why Mars? We chose Mars because the water sources, there is frozen ice on Mars, and using our water purifying station and cleaning station, we melt the ice and we purify it for drinking water and for watering plants. Planting food. The soil on Mars is pretty much like Earth's, but only certain things can grow on it. Like we have potatoes, peas, microgreens, lettuce, and onions. And the gravity is a third of Earth's gravity, so it's like not too much. You'd get squashed, but it's not enough. You'd float away.
This is our patch. It has the Earth, Mars, our spaceship, and then 2 stars, our name on it, and then the crew is me and Violet.
When we will leave and come back. We are going to leave in 2025 so we can get our rocket ready and prepare and get all the supplies. And we're coming back in 2040, that would be 15 years, so we can build our colony. And it takes 7 months to get there and 7 months to get back. And we're going to bring 2 rocket ships to get all the supplies there and back faster than just one.
The needs our colony meets is we have an oxygen tank and a greenhouse to grow stuff. So this is the oxygen tank and this. These tubes are so the oxygen can be transported to all the buildings. And then we have a greenhouse to grow food and eat. Like Violet said, we have potatoes, peas, onions, lettuce, and microgreens growing. And we have a water cleaning station for drinking water here, and that will purify the water so that we can drink it.
Once we have met our colony, these are important because we want to be happy on Mars, not bored out of our mind every single minutes of every day. And we have an exercise gym so we can stay fit, and when we come back to Earth, we're not flopping around like a fish. And we have the drawing office and homes because me and Maddie both love to draw. It's one of our favorite things. And technology to call home because we don't like being away from home for a long, long time. And so to get the power to call home, we have solar panels, a wind turbine, and an antenna. And the antenna works, and we have, since the International Space Station is always flying around the Earth, the antenna sends a signal to the International Space Station in case we need their help. And to call home, it sends a signal to the satellites, which send signals to more satellites, which send signals to Earth.
And then this is our colony and blueprint. This is what our blueprint looked like originally, and then it's just a bird's eye view of it, and then that's how it actually looks from a bird's eye view. And then we actually had our underground bunker here, but we ended up moving it to up there, where it is right now, because we ran out of room right here, so we just took it and put it over here. Why we put it over there was because if there was like a big storm and we were in the weather station tracking it, and it got really bad, we could go in the underground bunker. It's underground because if there's a lot of storms and really bad, it could knock the building over, so we put it underground so that we could stay safe. We have beds and food in here just in case we'd have to stay the night there. And then that's just what it would look like if you were just standing right here.
This is our conclusion. We really hope it's successful, and we believe we have a pretty great colony with all the needs and wants. And will you join us on Mars when we come back for more crew?